Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.14.3, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. So we're going to work on your English conversation and reading skills. This is a very important lesson. The first part, you read the dialogues in English, Dialogue 10, 11, and 12. You read them in English. Then you translate them using the Translate button in your primary language, okay? After you're done reading the dialogues, then you watch the video 2 or 3 times. This is going to help you not only with understanding the dialogues, but also with reading them out loud, pronouncing them. It will make you more confident in reading in public, in speaking in public. So your pronunciation is definitely going to improve if you watch and pronounce together with this video 2 or 3 times. So let's go back to the dialogues and let me read them for you. Dialogue 10. After the game. Did you watch the game last night? I sure did. I wouldn't have missed it for anything. There shouldn't be a question mark there. So that's a mistake. I think it was one of the best games I've ever seen. Me too. I thought both teams played Super Bowl. Too bad one had to lose. Yeah, I thought they were evenly matched. It could have gone either way. That shot that won in the last 15 seconds was really something. All right, then we have Dialogue 11, going for a walk. What did you say? I said that it's a lovely day. Why don't we go for a walk? Can you wait a few minutes? I have to finish this letter. Don't take too long. It would be a shame not to take advantage of such lovely weather. I won't be long, no more than 10 minutes. Why don't you go on ahead and I'll meet you in the park? Believe I will. Look for me near the rock garden. And then we have Dialogue 12. What's for dinner? I wonder what we should have for dinner this evening. Are you asking me? Yes, I am. I really don't feel much like cooking, but the family must eat. Well, you know me. I can always eat pizza or spaghetti. So I've noticed you're putting on a little weight, aren't you? I know. Don't mind me. I'm starting a new diet day after tomorrow. It's about time. So after this, then you translate. Let's say we want to translate in Tamil. And we just translated in Tamil. Now, I can't read Tamil. I don't understand any of it. But this is what you can translate into. Then you click on the English. And then don't forget to watch the video. Here we have American English Dialogues 2.4. And we start with Dialogue 10, After the Game. Okay, so please watch this video 2 or 3 times. It's really going to help you improve your pronunciation and comprehension. So that's it. This is lesson 1.14.3. After you watch the video, don't forget to leave a reply, leave a comment, what you learned, how you feel, where you're from, put your name, put your email, and post a comment. And then I will respond to you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.